Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank free leads. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I also do a lot of product reviews to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you want to hear more about, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Again, we're going to talk about Clickbank free leads. I'm going to give you 10 easy steps. The first one, of course, is to pick a Clickbank product to promote. So we're going to go to Clickbank, we're going to go to the marketplace, and rather than pick a category over here, we can find the most popular products by just clicking on this search right here. And I'll tell you that the three areas that you can make the most money in are relationships, health, and wealth. So you can see the most popular product that's sold on Clickbank right now is flat belly fix. That's definitely a problem that people have, is belly fat. Okay, so that's the first thing, is to pick a product to promote, and you want to make sure you look at the sales page and make sure that it's a good product, because you don't want to put your name behind something that's not. And also, if it's not, people are going to refund, so you're going to get a lot of chargebacks. So you want to make sure it's a good product. Second thing is you want to create a lead capture page, because you don't want to drive traffic, even if it's free, to just your affiliate sales page, because you want to be able to capture people's email addresses and follow up with them after that initial exposure. The third thing is you want to create an email follow-up series so that you have emails going out every day to people who have opted into your list that are reminding them that they were interested in whatever topic it is, whether it be belly fat or whatever your niche is or your product. And also, I'm going to, rather than go through those two things, how to create a lead capture page and how to create an email follow-up series for your Clickbank product, I have a two-part series of videos on that. I'm going to post those in the description below this video so you can check those out, exactly how you would do that. So the fourth thing is you're going to create a YouTube channel around your niche. Okay, this is going to be your free traffic. So if it's around the belly fat, it's going to be obviously your niche is going to be health and wellness. So you're going to create a channel around that niche. The fifth thing is you're going to determine what problems people have in your niche. So obviously people here are going to want to lose weight. That's a really common thing for people who want to do, especially with their belly. And so you're going to determine what problems people have. You're going to do keyword research around those problems. So for example, if we go to YouTube, YouTube has its own search engine, and you're going to put in belly fat and see what comes up. So all these things down here are keywords that people are already searching for. So you're going to create videos around these keywords, and the longer the better. You want a long tail keyword. It's less competitive. At least 3, 4, 5 words is good. So this one right here is really good. Belly fat and love handles workout. And then what you do is to go through the alphabet. Put a space and then A. Then you'll see all these keywords that come up. Put a B. And here's some more keywords. So you're going to keep a notepad and come up with all kinds of keywords that you're going to create content around. And the seventh thing is that you're going to SEO optimize your video, obviously after you make the video. And I'm not going to go into that in depth, but it is easy to do. I'm going to leave a link in the description below of another video that I did on how to rank your videos high in YouTube. And then you're going to create one video a day for at least 90 days based on your keywords that solve problems in your niche. Or you can go longer than that. The more content you put out there, the better. So for an example, how are you going to figure out what to put in your videos? So if you're going to come choose the belly fat product here. If you did a video around belly fat and love handles workout, see what videos come up. So you can see this one here, the first one has 1.1 million views. This one has 3.8 million views. This one has 4.5. I mean, granted, these are 6 years and a year ago, but this one was, oh, okay, this one was a year ago. But still, that's a lot of views. So what you want to do is watch these videos and see what kind of content they have. Like this one's only 6 minutes long. And obviously you don't want to copy this, but you want to come up, you kind of model around these videos and look at all of them and come up with your own unique twist on it, and then create a video around those keywords. Okay, number 9, at the end of each video, you're going to have a call to action for them to click on the link in the description below the video for more information. So let's say you create a valuable content video around this keyword right here. You're going to go through your content, and then you're going to say at the end, and if you want more information on how to lose weight, specifically belly fat, go ahead and click on the link in the description below this video for more information. And when they do that, they will go to your lead capture page. You're going to be able to capture their email. Then you're going to follow up with these leads by emailing them valuable content in addition to your autoresponder email series. So you can email them the videos that you're making. And also, if there's products, like let's say you're an Amazon affiliate, if there's products that would relate to losing belly fat, you may want to include your Amazon link in some of the emails, just anything that would be of value to somebody who's trying to lose weight and belly fat. So those are the steps, basically, to get free traffic. You're going to create a YouTube channel, create valuable content, and the great part about this is once you get your videos up, you just do the work one time, and then you continue to get free leads over time, and you can get leads, years from now. And the more content you have up, the more free leads you're going to get. So if you found value in this Clickbank free leads video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you want to learn more information on these types of topics in affiliate marketing and how to make money online, again, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. And if you want to learn my #1 recommended resource for making money online, that will be the first link in the description below this video. Go ahead and click on that, check it out. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off. See you guys in the next video.